Welcome to the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Please enjoy the episode.
Hello and welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. So in this one we're going to do a little sharpening, and the first thing I'm going to want to do is open up my luminance mask, and I'm going to want to run our star net on it. So we remove the stars, hopefully, only end up with the nebulosity. So when this completes, we'll be back. Alright, so that has completed. Yeah, I think that'll work good enough for the purposes of this. So we're going to come back over here. We're going to remove the existing mask. We're going to add this one. And probably should not have, should have worked off of a clone, but that's okay. That's okay. We will show our mask. And we'll close this out. Let's open up our MultiscaleLinearTransform, just like we did when we were doing denoising, but rather than noise reduction, we're going to be using our bias in the detail, little de-ringing support, and let's apply it to this preview and see what happens. So we undo, redo. Makes it just a little bit sharper, that's good. So we'll apply it to the image as a whole. And if we undo, redo, zoom in, undo, redo, yeah, that works. Starting to, I'm seeing some halos around the stars, and that's probably some earlier processing. Some of those star masks might have been a little aggressive, but for now, we'll keep it as it is, and I'll come back and fix that later. Get rid of this preview, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just pretty straightforward. Need to make sure we have mask on there and a little bit of sharpening. So with that, I'm going to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, clear skies, and have a good one.
Thank you for watching yet another video from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video we've uploaded. In our lower right, we have what YouTube might think you would enjoy. And in the lower left is our subscription button. Please like this video, subscribe if you so choose. As always, clear skies, have a good one, and remember Duke.